Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace rear door glass on Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent guys, first generation. Okay, the one right here, if yours is broken, you need to remove it, you need to replace it. We'll show you how to do that. Stay with us and thank you for watching us. Okay, first guys, there is one screw that we will need to remove right there with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. And after that, we'll need to pry a little bit towards the front in the middle, right here. Pry in and then pry it out. You need to pull the door handle and pull the piece out, just like that. Okay, next we need to remove that trim because there is hidden bolts, screws underneath it. So if you start on the bottom, okay, pry it like that, it will come loose. Okay, you can see it's really tight guys, so don't pull on the plastic, try to pry the clips. Okay, you pull towards the back at the very end. Now underneath right here we have two screws with a 10mm socket that we'll need to remove. Okay, one is there and one is towards the front. Okay, this one is loose. Now we have the one there. Okay, now on the bottom right there is a place where you can place a screwdriver. Okay, and pry the initial pry that will release a few clips. That way you can start prying the door panel. Okay, once you do that, you can get your fingers underneath and start pulling. Once we remove it guys, we'll show you exactly where all the clips are. Okay, this one there as well. Now I think we'll need to remove that cap. Just with a prying tool. Okay, you can pull it out like that. And now there is, I think, 2 or 3 clips here. Okay, like that. So let us explain where the clips are. Towards the front, okay, that's the top part. And then you go down, okay, like that. Perfect. Okay, next we'll need to cut the glue for that foam. Okay, foam insulation, that's the one that prevents cold wind noises coming inside the cabin. So don't pull on it too much because you will break it. You need to cut the glue. It reseals when you press it in really hard. After that, if it doesn't for some reason, you can use silicone to install it later. Okay, it's out of there now. You can see it came in one piece, that's a good thing. So now guys, you need to bring the window down, okay? You can see, let me show you how much, until you have that plastic thing right here that you can press in. Okay, a little bit hard to show you. There is a plastic, kind of look like a bow. You press in and you need to get the window out at the same time. Okay, it's still holding, so you need to push up. Okay, it came loose. So what we need to do, we need to pry that piece out now. Be careful not to bend that thing, because if you bend it, it's hard to install it and it might prevent the window from going up and down in a very good way. Okay, next we need to pull that seal out right here. Okay, like that. So we're going to pull it all the way out. And what you can do now, okay, let me come on this side. You pull up, but what happened actually? We snap the window again in the thing. Okay, so you need to press in and release it again. Okay, like that. So now, if we grab it, we'll be able to pull it out. It comes out in an angle. And unfortunately, we need to do more disassembly. The front window, we can remove it like that. Rear one, we have to do a little bit extra work right here. We have a 7mm that we need to remove. Okay, little screw that we got out of the way now. Here there is a couple clips. Okay, it just comes, one clip actually comes up like that. Okay, this one you need to pull it like that and you will come out of the groove. And then you can go ahead and pull it all the way to the other side. Okay, now right here, let's see, we have a screw on the back that we need to remove. Okay, this is the screw, very small screw right here. Okay, let's see what this one is, what size it is. It's 1/32. I don't know what metric will be. Okay, screw is out. Now we can go ahead and remove the whole seal on the outside, hopefully. Let's see if something else is holding it there. Okay, it's out now. Now with a 7mm, guys, right here there is a screw that we need to remove for the other seal. Okay, when you do that, there is a couple clips there, so you need to just pull it out. Okay, you just pull on it, be careful not to break it. There is 2 clips, I think, on it. Yep, 2 metal clips. Then here with a 10mm socket we need to remove, okay, 2 bolts, and we have one right here that we need to remove as well on this side. Okay, this one right here we need to remove. And we have another one on the side of the door, okay, right here. So we need to remove this one as well. Okay, we have another one right there. It's a complicated deal to replace that rear window. But if you want to do it right, that's how it's done, I guess. People will always try to always say there is an easier way, but sometimes you can damage your seals and it will definitely not look good later. Okay, you can go ahead and pull the rails out now. A little bit on each side. And you don't need to pull it out all the way. We can go ahead and pull the glass now. Okay, almost out. Okay, right here, guys. This is the glass. And if you need to remove those now, you can. Okay, but when you install them, they will need to be halfway in because of this thing right here. You cannot pull it with the glass. So that's how you remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.